You're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 8 to the power x minus 2. This is equal to 48. What is the value of x? Solution from here. Now, 8 to the power x minus 2, this is in the form of a to the power n minus m, which we can express as a to the power n divided by a to the power m. Applying this exponent property, then here we'll have 8 to the power x divided by 8 to the power 2. This is equal to 48. So 48 is our whole number, so it's over 1. Now from here, let's cross multiply this. We'll have 8 to the power x times 1. This is equal to 8 to the power 2 times 48. The next step from here, to solve for x, we introduce logarithm on both sides so that we have log 8 to the power x. This is equal to log 8 to the power 2 times 48. So here we find that log 8 to the power x, this is in the form of log 8 to the power n, which we can express as n log a. So applying this property, then you find that log 8 to the power x becomes x log 8. This is equal to log 8 to the power 2 times 48. So let's divide both sides by log 8. Now, by simplifying here, we'll have that x is equal to log 8 to the power 2 times 48 divided by log 8. Now, log 8 to the power 2 times 48, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this property, then here we have x equal to log 8 to the power 2 divided by log 8 plus log 48 divided by log 8. Now from here, applying the power rule property, that is log a to the power n, this can be expressed as n log a. Applying this property, then here we have x is equal to log 8 to the power 2 becomes 2 log 8 divided by log 8 plus log 48 divided by log 8. Let's simplify here so that now x is equal to 2 plus log 48 divided by log 8. The next step is that we can express 48 as 8 times 6. Let's substitute this so that x is equal to 2 plus log 8 times 6 divided by log 8. So that now here we have that x is equal to 2 plus log 8 times 6. This is actually in the form of log a times b, which you can express as log a plus log b. So here we'll have log 8 divided by log 8, then plus log 6 divided by log 8. So let's simplify here. Log 8 and log 8 simplifies so that now we'll have here 2 plus 1, this is 3, plus this is log 6 divided by log 8. Now the next step from here, we can express 6 as 2 times 3, and we can express 8 as 2 to the power 3. So this implies that, let's substitute this, we'll have x equal to 3 plus log 2 times 3 divided by log 8, which is log 2 to the power 3. So from here we'll have x equal to 3 plus, now here we'll have log 2 divided by log 2 to the power 3 becomes 3 log 2, then plus log 3 divided by 3 log 2. Let's simplify here. Log 2 and log 2 simplifies, so that now here we have x equal to 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 divided by log 2. So the next step is that here we have 3 plus 1 over 3. This is the same thing as 10 over 3 plus 1 over 3, that is log 3 to base, divided by log 2. We have that x is equal to 10 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 divided by log 2. Log 3 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Applying this property, then here x will be equal to 10 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 to base 2. And since a third is common here, we can factor out a third, so that this is a third into the parentheses 10 plus log 3 to base 2. So this is the value of x. This is the value of x. This is the value of x. Let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Let's verify here. Now, if you recall here, we end at 8 to the power x minus 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. Let's substitute the value of x. So we have 8 to the power 1 over 3 into the bracket here. This is 10 plus log 3 to base 2. Subtract 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 48. So we can express 8 as 2 to the power 3. Let's substitute this. So this is 2 to the power 3 times 1 over 3 into the parentheses 10 plus log 3 to base 2. Subtract 2. This should give us a value of 48. So let's simplify here. So this implies that here we have 2 to the power 10 plus log 3 to base 2. Then we have 3 times 2. So here this is minus 6. This should give us a value of 48. Now we have that 2 to the power 10 plus log 3 to base 2 minus 6. This is in the form of a to the power n plus m, which we can express as a to the power n times a to the power m. And again, this is in the form of a to the power n minus m, which we can express as a to the power n divided by a to the power m. Now, applying these exponent properties, we'll have here 2 to the power 10 times 2 to the power log 3 to base 2 divided by 2 to the power 6. This should give us a value of 48. So here we have 2 to the power 10. 2 to the power 10 in this case, this is equal to 1024. So we have 1024 times 2 to the power log 3 to base 2 divided by 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 in this case, this is equal to 64. So divided by 64, this should give us a value of 48. Now, we have that 2 to power log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of m to power log a to base m. This should give us a value of a. Applying this logarithm property, then you find that 2 to power log 3 to base 2, this should give us a value of 3. Let's substitute this. So here we have 1024 times 3 divided by 64. This should give us a value of 48. So you find that 1024 divided by 64 here is 1. By 64, this is the same thing as 16. So we'll have 16 times 3. This should give us a value of 48. So 16 times 3 here, this is 48, and this is equal to 48. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of x, which is a third into the parentheses 10 plus log 3 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.